In today's video, I'll teach you how to activate your Capital One credit card. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. So if you want to activate your card, first of all what you have to do is log in to your Capital One account. For that, click on the search bar and type in the link verify.capitalone.com. Press enter. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the login interface of Capital One. You'll be able to log into your account. If you do not have the online banking account yet, you can also simply click on this option, set up online access, and you'll be able to set it up. If you already have the account, simply enter your username and password over here. Click on the field of username and enter your username. Click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on this option, forget username or password, and you'll be able to recover them. Now after you do that, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Right now I do not have the online banking account, but I'll tell you what to do. Once you signed into your account, what you have to do is find the section for I want to. Over there you'll be able to find the option for account settings. What you have to do is click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find the option for activate card. Click on it. Now once you do that, in order to activate your card, what you have to do is enter your card number and 3-digit code. After you do that, your card will be activated. If you do not want to do it in the browser, you can follow the same process in the mobile application too. So like this, you'll be able to activate your card. So that is how you activate your Capital One credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.